Okay. I don't know about this. I don't know. Hold on. Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all a review on this little bob length bang wig that I got from Amazon. Now, if you look at the thumbnail, maybe or maybe not, depending on what picture I take or picture I choose, you'll see that this is not how the wig comes, but we gonna get into that later into the video. So you just gonna have to watch and see the reason why I am wearing it like this. Okay. So if you're interested in seeing this wig, seeing more about this wig, seeing why I'm wearing it like this and then come like this, just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get right into the video. So I have my scarf on because I'm so used to doing wigs and having to leave my edges out, and I was like, Michaela, you don't need your edges out because this is a bang wig. So I went ahead and gelled my edges down anyway, even though I probably don't need to, but just gonna take this off. And I recently took down my faux locks, but a cute look, like, girl, quit playing with me. Okay, so this is the wig that I have. I'm going to look up the details on Amazon because I don't remember them all. So this one actually took a little minute to get here. I ordered it on October 4th and it came October 10th. Well, it really didn't take that long. It was like a week, but it took forever for them to send me a like a shipping thing. I'm like, they didn't send it till like a day before they shipped it, and I'm like, where's my wig? Like, I got stuff to do. So this wig is by the brand Entranced Styles. It is a short curly wavy bob wig with bangs. It was $18.99 like I said. And y'all, this says that it's the color number 2, but when I take this out, it's not the color number 2. They have one that's on there also that's like a brown, but this is not. I don't think this is the number 2. Maybe it is. I don't know, but I thought I was tripping. So this is the wig that it comes with. It comes with the wig cap. I guess we can use this one for the purpose of this video. It also comes with directions on how to wear it, how to wash it, and all that other stuff. And this is what it looks like. But anyway, this is the wig. It's actually, it looks pretty cute, like pretty decent outside of the package. It has a white scalp. I don't know why it has a white scalp. I feel like the scalp should be like the color of a natural scalp, so I'm definitely going to color that in. Let me grab some concealer and then gonna put this wig cap on.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I always look like a potato head when I do this. Like, ew, girl, what? Ooh, a little tight. Ah. Ooh. Ciao. Okay, we cannot do those combs. Okay. I don't know about this. I don't know. Hold on.
Oh, look, not the banging. Fuck no.
I just thought I was gonna be so cute with bangs. Look at this. First of all, for me, the bangs are too thick. Like, I don't like bangs like that. But the texture of the hair, yeah, first of all, these bangs are super thick. And they need to be cut, or we can just pull it back. So, but then the wig not even on my head. If I pull it back all the way like that, I'm gonna have to cut these bangs and spread them out because the girl don't even like bangs like that. Okay, now that's not that bad, but the bangs are super long. Like, yeah, I'm not. not really feeling this wig. But let's cut these a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I did what I had to do to the back, and honestly, hold on, just wearing the wig like this is not bad at all. Like, I could definitely see myself doing this, like looking like a librarian or something. But when I take it down, that's what's throwing me off. Like, I don't know, it's a cute wig, but I'm not sure if I like it on myself. It's definitely different than what I'm used to. Anyway, let's get into some other features of the hair. So the wig construction, obviously I told you guys that it has 2 combs and it has adjustable band in the back. It has like the combs like right here, but this wig is kind of small for me, so me trying to put the combs on kind of just like hurts my head a little bit. So I really don't like that. The curling texture, so this hair is really soft. Like, it kind of reminds me of like natural hair when you first get it like pressed and stuff like that, but it's really soft. It's not, oh my god, this hair, it's not shiny at all. Like, if you guys look at it, like, it really just reminds me of like natural hair. I feel like I'll just have to like grow into the wig and kind of like just get into it, because right now I like, it's cute, but maybe it's the color that's throwing me off. Maybe it's a style. Like, I've never had bangs before, so I mean, it could be that, but I'm not really sure. Other than that, it's a really cute wig. Actually, I feel like I like it better like this. Okay, y'all, now that I got this wig figured out and have it to a style that I think I would prefer it, I mean, if you want to wear it down, that's, you know, that's totally up to you, but this is the way I like it. This is the way that I would see myself wearing this wig, you know, at least until it grows on me. Now, the pros and cons, the things that I like, the things that I don't like about this wig. Like I said earlier, I don't need the adjustable band because this wig is kind of tight fitting. So if you are a bigger head girl like me, you know, I mention that in almost every hair video, this wig is going to fit a little snug on you, okay? Another thing that I'm not really too fond of is like how long the bangs are. So you all saw that I had to cut the bangs, and look, this wig is pushed all the way back here. My edges are up here. So just imagine how long the bangs are if you have the wig, you know, pulled all the way up. Of course, you can cut them shorter, but when I buy wigs or with synthetic wigs, I feel like I don't want to be doing too much work aside from putting the putting concealer on the little lace part, or putting concealer on the part and keep going. I don't want to have to be pulling out my scissors and cutting all that other stuff. Like, I don't want to have to do all that. Okay, so that's another thing I don't like. Another thing I don't like is the color. Like, this says it's a number 2. Tell me if I'm tripping or not, but I feel like this is low-key like a 1B, because I feel like I have number 2 hair, like, naturally, and this is not number 2. And I think that's what's kind of throwing me off a little bit. It's like, I'm not used to dark hair, so the bangs in combination with the dark hair is definitely something different for me, which is probably why I'm not feeling the wig in its natural state. You get what I'm saying? But they did have a bunch of different colors. They have like a pink, they have a burgundy one that I wanted to try out, but I was like, I don't know how I feel about burgundy. They have a bunch of different colors, so if you like this wig, you're not really feeling the black, you can definitely go check them out and see what other colors they have. Some things that I do like about the wig is the texture of it. Like, it's really soft. It does tangle a little bit. Like, when I was rubbing my fingers through it, it did get a little bit of tangling. So far, it hasn't really shed, so that's another good thing. Another thing that I like is that it's not shiny at all. Y'all know that with synthetic wigs, sometimes they be pushing it. Like, it just be too shiny. It doesn't look realistic at all. But I feel like if this part was covered up and it was just black up here, this wig could definitely pass as somebody's natural hair. So that's definitely good. I feel like they're getting better just in general. This is my first wig from this company, but I feel like in general they're getting better with making synthetic wigs look a little bit more natural as far as like the shininess of them. I like the length of it. It's really good, especially for me, like being a shorter person and you don't got really like a long neck. Like, the wig stops at a decent length, so I didn't have to do any cutting to like the actual wig length. So that's another good thing. I like the texture of it. I like the how it's not too shiny, and I do enjoy the length of it. Other than that, I mean, it's a pretty decent wig. If you like bangs, if you like wavy hair, if you like bangs and wavy hair together, this is definitely a wig that you can go check out. This is probably something that you would enjoy, but like I said, it just has to grow on me because I'm not used to one hair being this dark on me, and I'm also not used to bangs. Like, I've never had bangs in my life before, but one day I was doing my hair and I was like, oh, I would be cute with bangs, because I was like playing with it and I had my hair like stop right there, and I was like, oh, that would be fire. And then I got this wig and it's like, are you playing with me? Like, I look a mess. Like, that is not cute, okay? But I actually like it pulled back like this versus having it down, you know? Yeah, so this is me in like a different sense. Like, I went back and looked at the video footage and I'm like, okay, look, the wig doesn't even look that bad. So I don't even know what I was talking about. Like, the wig doesn't look that bad, like in its natural state. So I don't even know what I was thinking. But let me know what y'all think, because I don't know. I'm looking back at it and I'm like, it don't look that bad. Like I said, I think it just has to grow on me. I'm really starting to like this wig and I'm not regretting my purchase at all, okay? Okay, honey. Period. So, you gotta improvise sometimes to get what you like, and this is what I like, okay? Okay. Before we go, you guys know that we always have to do an inspirational quote, and that quote is, give yourself credit for how far you've come. So, you know, just take that quote for what it is. Take that quote for whatever you need it to be. And always remember that. Write it down. Make a little mental note. Do whatever you need to do in order to manifest this quote into your lifestyle. Okay? Okay. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see and talk to you all in my next one. Bye. Oh, you guys, before we go, also, please go on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. My old Instagram got hacked, so I have to start all over. I really didn't have that many followers on Instagram to begin with, but to have to start all over, it's just like really? Like, y'all, I don't even have anything on my Instagram for you, so what was the point? Please let me know what was the point. But anyway, my new Instagram name is The Kayla's Corner. So yes, please go follow me on there. And guys, as always, I will see and talk to y'all in my next one.